In this video, we will explain how to change the insulation straps on your Winston 8000 series Collectramatic fryer. You will require the following tools to complete this installation. Before beginning this installation, be sure to unplug the fryer from its power source. Drop the front panel by removing the 4 screws holding the panel in place. Next, clip the black insulation straps with a pair of scissors. You will need to remove the 2 small wire ties that attach the high limit and temperature probe wires to the strap as well. Finally, remove the black insulation strap from the fryer. Begin the installation of the new strap by uninstalling the back assembly. The muffler is removed by lifting the assembly off the vent back. Next, detach the danger sign by removing the 4 screws holding it in place. Remove the 2 back panels by unscrewing the remaining 3 screws holding each panel in place. There should now be enough room to install the new strap. Moving to the front of the fryer, pull the ends of the strap to make a tight fit around the insulation and install the strap buckle. To properly install the buckle, first make a pair of rabbit ears with the ends of the strap. Next, push the 2 rabbit ears through the middle of the strap, making sure the 2 prongs on the buckle are facing up and towards you. Finally, thread 1 ear on each prong and tighten by pulling the slack out of the insulation strap. Reattach the right side panel, leaving the 2 holes in the top right corner of the fryer open. Repeat this process for the left side panel, leaving the 2 holes on the top left corner of the fryer open. Reinstall the danger panel using the 4 remaining screws, then reattach the muffler by placing it on 2 poles sticking up from the vent back. Finally, reinstall the front panel.